Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah 2 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. So let's get started. Before we continue, one thing to mention is that if you want to set a custom watch face on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you will see the home page. Now tap on device icon to open the device page, and on the device page, you should see your Cheetah 2 Ultra. Now, find the watch faces. It's going to be under the watch. Tap on the category to open the store, and here we have the watch face store. Browse through it until you find the category called photo watch face, and once you find it, tap on find more to open the whole category. And here we have a previews of like watch face styles, and they basically differ by position of the clock. As you can see, we have clock on the right, on the left, middle, top and bottom. So select the one you enjoy the most, and then we can customize our watch face, and we can again change the style. We have different positions of the clock, and we can add the photo. So that's the most important part. You can tap on add photo, and as you can see, we have take a photo, photos. Take photo, it will open the camera app. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face, and photos will open the photos app. You can basically pick something from your phone. I'm gonna use the second option. I'm gonna open the collections, downloads, and here I have some pictures. Let's say I want to use this one, so I'm gonna tap on it, then tap on done to select it. And now we need to crop the image because the whole picture won't fit on the watch face, so we need to select part of it, and you can zoom in, zoom out, move left and right, tap bottom. So select the part of the picture you want to use as a watch face, tap on select, and the watch face will be added. And as you can see, we have a preview, and you can also customize it a bit further. You can change the color of the font if you want to, and looks like it's about all. So once you're done customizing your watch face, you can tap on sync. It will start uploading, and then once it's done, it should be available on your watch. So let's wait. And here we have it. Now we have a custom watch face on our watch. And we can close the app. And that's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.